All right, so I'm about to do my first mod. Yes. It's simple. It's just this door handle. And I think damn near everybody that has this van probably has one of these. I saw some reviews where it was like, it sucks, it breaks, and Amazon reviews. And then this one I got from eBay. So it feels really sturdy. It looks good. And here's the problem. So you have this tiny, tiny handle. And then when the door is closed, you can't even reach it. Look, I can't put my hand through there, right? So you pull it. So it's just not good. I have no idea why Ram decided to, this is the handle we're going to use. It's a great idea. This thing, someone came up with that idea and was like, that's great. Anyway, so we're gonna try this out. It'll be quick. Enough said. Let's go ahead and put this handle on and see if it's any better. Who knows? It might be too big, and then we can wonder why the guy was like, "That's great." Anyway, so it's supposed to be just one nut. So here we go. I already fitted this. I don't know how long the screw is. I don't want to drop it, and then I ain't got no handle. We ain't never getting in here. Okay, it's pretty long. All right, so it has to be in the up position. And you can see the difference right here. Cameraman sneezing in the back. Anyway, right? So look at that. All right, let's try it out. Square, peg, and then it has, if you want to know how it fit, little square plastic holes. Uh-oh. All right, straight up. There it is. See how long that screw is. Believe it or not, and this wasn't tight at all, so I'm not going to make it super tight. I'm just going to, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. There it is. Ah, that feels good. This feels good already. So when you're back here, I don't know, can you see that, babe? You can't really see it because it's tall. Maybe if I take out some snaps, you can see the handle. There we go. And, oh, it's almost as tall as the thing, but you can still fit your hand. Yeah, I think that's why, babe.
Oh.
Oh, wait. This would have to be almost trimmed. I could barely. All right, guys. Now we know why. The guy. Babe, I can't even. Oh! Babe, you got to open it from the outside. Look at the hook. So the hook is stopping it from going way. We're locked in. I might not ever get to open the door again.
Let me go open it.
Go from the outside and
hold that.
I'll entertain y'all. So, by the way, so that little hook is supposed to be, and I don't think every van has this little border thing, but that little hook is supposed to be for the, okay, here we go.
That is crazy.
It is. I'm like, wait a minute. All right, so we got to get that sawed off. All right, so, yeah, get me back on. All right, so this little hook is supposed to be, you can hang your car keys here. And I was like, oh, that's kind of neat. Not everybody's got that. Hang your car keys, maybe a garbage bag. But here's the problem. You can see the damage I did trying to open. I was like, why ain't this thing opening? So it's hitting that. So what we're going to do, and I think we have the razors, babe. We're going to try to take this piece off. We're going to, because I ain't returning it with eBay. It'll be more shipping a hassle than the thing actually costs. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Or at least we're going to pause it or whatever. And I'll come back and, hey, if you see me come back, if this video continues, that means we got it off. Well, if I don't put the video out, you'll just never know about it. Anyway, we're going to try to take that off. All right, so we got it done. Luckily, I got some razor blades. I just kind of sawed at it and then broke it off. And then you can see the problem right here. So when this was connected, this piece was, you see I kind of damaged it a little bit, was hitting this, and it could not open when I pulled this back, right? It was blocked. I don't even know if this is going to fit, but we're going to give it a shot. So we're going to try it again. you might have to go back outside and rescue me, babe.
Okay.
So one of the simplest things, it makes me think about bigger jobs, like big jobs, because the simplest thing you could do to this van, it was a problem. So I'm going to write that up in the Amazon review. Well, see, everyone's van don't have this. And that's the problem, right? So this is all cut out and this is part of the van. This is part of the guts, right? So I think that's a problem. All right, let's do it again. Back on. There we go. And it's still a little tight fit when I close it, but I still think it's better because I have this nod, you know, but I'm not throwing the other one away. We're just going to run this for a while and see how we like it. All right, it's not tight at all. Feels good. It did close, right?
All right.
I don't know if you can see that. All right.
Oh, you did it.
Yeah.
So you have to use your 2 fingers.
I had to use 2 fingers to get in there. So it's hard to get my fingers in there, actually, but here I can fit, and I know if my fingers fit. You tell me, babe. You try it with your small hands, because you... All right, so Deborah's going to try it. Does that feel better or worse?
Oh, yeah, no, that's better.
Open it. So that's better?
Yeah.
And for whatever...
I wish, though, that this...
Let me see if I can get some light in there. Yeah.
Because it snags
I can't
my
see
hand.
your hand. Your hand. Do it now.
It snags my hand right here.
Right, so you see that wood on top? I'm going to get a saw somehow. And I don't have no tools because I just don't anymore. Anyway,
just take off that part and then sand
maybe we can
down.
sand it down and just get a couple more, another inch or so in there.
Yeah, but that's that noise. Yeah.
All right, so here it is.
And that noise, y'all, we
Yeah.
just need to oil the...
Yeah, I'm like, what the hell is going on? It's all dry. I'm telling you, whatever. That's an easy fix. Anyway, so that's it. We did it. We did it, babe.
Yeah, we did. The
first little mod. And I can't believe it was so complicated as far as they got a screw. If you wasn't here, well, I would have had to walk out the door. I was like, I would have been stuck in here sweating it up. But y'all just had to walk out the front door.
Yeah.
All right, so thanks for watching. This is a short video, and I appreciate everyone for subscribing if you didn't already, and liking the video and all that. Appreciate you giving me your time to show you my first mod.
And stay tuned. We have another semi-mod that we'll be doing.
All right.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Bye.